Yes, yourself doing that. Especially kung nasa
Oo,
backline
lalo
ka,
po nasa
nanonood
likod ka
ka.
na, well, diba?
Oo.
Minsan kahit andito ako, what's happening?
Ay, that will take a while to get used to. Alyssa. Teka. Wala senyas yata linesman.
Meron,
Meron,
siya
in siya.
inside.
I think Lumer might overturn this. Lumer Parillo might overturn this one. It is overturned. Mukha naman siya talagang out eh. Now Dakis into the net. So Army is giving up a lot of free points para dito sa Smart Maynilad. Once again, we have not seen the return of Pinoc Quezini.
Ako, nakakaramdam ako pag umangat yan sa harap si Nika Guliman, babalik na itong si Cassini.
And here's Cotruang. And Cotruang gets through. Nalida Cotruang. New player. This is only her third match. Uy, Dakis nahirapan sa reception.
Free ball.
Combination now. Cotruang. And Luna cannot save it. 15 all. Nawala yung kalamangan ng Army. Here's Nika Guliman. Into the net. So the second technical timeout will find Army up but only by 1.
Ito ang Shakey's Billy. Binana!
Muli, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Noel Zarate na medyo namamalat kasama si Michelle Gumabaw na parating malat.
Nawala na, okay na nga eh.
Okay ka na ba?
Yung sa'yo.
Ay, sa akin.
Sa akin, never okay eh.
Kanya-kanya sira sa sarili, no? Here is Ruby going over to Eliza. And that's a better dig there coming from Angela Nunag. Bautista with a bomb dug up there by Gohing. Valdez, single block by Salak. Salak now going over to Bunag. Kept alive by Gohing. Tinawid naman ni Ruby. Kept alive by Nunag. The liberos are getting busy. And there's Cotruang. Nagmistulang libero. Eliza sends it across. Salak now. Bautista, long rally. Charo, blocked by Bunag. And the attack by Rubina. Track down pa rin yan ni Gonzaga. Buhay pa rin. Ruby going over to Eliza and she will miss. Charo naghahanap ng check ball.
Masyadong mabilis yung palo ni Eliza Valdez para makitaan mo ng check ball yun.
Charo, of course, also a former head coach. So ilan ang head coach nila dyan? Charo, Pinoc Quezini, Roger Gorayab. Ruby De Leon, alam ko head coach din to eh. Ruby going to Charo on the push. Nice coverage there by Gonzaga. Bautista. That's blocked there by Charo. Balse. And Cotruang cannot get to it. At sabi ni hindi Gohing kay Cotruang, that's my fault.
Good read by Cotruang. Ito mas malaking butas.
Right.
Na mapupuntahan.
Problema si Nunag. Ang tasa ng kumpiyansa sa sarili ngayon. Nunag playing very well here in the third set. Salak. Dug up by Gohing. Eliza. Ito na
Free
naman.
ball. Anong gagawin ng Smart sa free ball?
Depende na yan kay Ruby. Combination ngayon. Eliza off the block. Bunag. Salak. Balse. Lusot. Ay, ikita mo talaga yung impyerno ni Gohing at saka ni Cotruang. Nung tumama sa net, alam nila, patay na tayo.
Alam nila, di sila makakaabot
Hindi sila
doon.
makakaabot. Nung tumama sa net, we're dead. 19-16. Army up by 3. Gohing. Eliza. Gonzaga. Salak. Bautista. Lusot na naman. And Maru Banatikla will come in to replace Eliza Valdez.
4 points. 5 puntos lang ang kailangan ng Army Noel para makakuha ng isang set ngayon.
Tandaan natin, the first time these two teams met and the second time these two teams met, umabot po na 5 sets. Banatikla with a bad reception. And Cassini is not going to see action in this third set. It appears that way already. Service error by Bunag.
Full front line for Smart Maynilad. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol pa sila dito.
Ruby De Leon, one of the best servers in the league. To put it in play. Nice one. Salak. Bautista cross court. Misses. Oy! Net violation, Charo.
The odds are in Philippine Army's
Nako.
favor.
The breaks of the game are now going in favor of the Philippine Army. 22-17. Nene. Good serve by Nene. Roses. Kept alive by Bunag. Bautista. Dakis. Kotruwang. And iuhulog sana pero nandun naman si Dakis. Charo to set for Banatikla. Banatikla dug up again by Bunag. Salak. Balse! Ilang beses na ginawa ni Balse yan sa laban na ito.
Tuwang-tuwa din si Mary Jean Balse. Inunahan niya na sigaw sa may
Right.
drop lang.
Going. And Banatikla with a push. They go to Balse. She's blocked. Salak. Uh-oh. Well, nangyayari yan kahit magaling yung setter.
Good floor defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng Army Noel. Wala lang namamatay sa kanila na bola.
Right. And now, no substitution. Well, Pinocchesini wanted to come in. Charo serves. Nunag. Salak. Dakis. Nice block by Suroses. And now Cassini will replace Nika Guliman. So, despite the badly injured right thumb, ayan na po ulit si Pinocchesini.
Malayo pa. Sabi ni Pinocchesini, papasok pa daw siya.
Oo.
Hindi niya hinintay mag-forward set eh.
Right. They want to win it now even if they're behind by 5. Salak. Balse! At sinasabi siguro ni Ruby nung magkakampi tayo nung college. Ginagawa mo na yan Now 5 set points for Army to send this to a 4th set. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Cassini. Ruby for Maru. Maru is blocked again. Jovelyn Gonzaga has just done an excellent job pagdating sa blocking sa laban na ito at nakapingwit ng isang set ang Philippine Army 25-19. At titignan natin ang ating shaking play in just a bit. Jovelyn Gonzaga, di mo alam kung saan siya nanggagaling minsan eh. But this time, it is Ging Balse who gets a shaking play. We go to a 4th set.